You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
So here is the pepperoni Stromboli Italian style sandwich. It's a Stromboli, okay? Yeah, pepperoni. It's got cheese in there, pizza sauce. And it's all wrapped up in the artisan dough. It does come with a push-out mustache. Here, this may be a showstopper. Two things. 570 calories right there. And look at the sodium is 47%. That is nuts. It costs $4.99 at Piggly Wiggly. It expires next month on the 20th, so maybe they needed to expedite this stuff off the shelf. Oh, what the heck? I'm not doing a microwave, so we won't be using that thing. Let's open it up. It says to heat up the oven to 400 degrees, which I've already done. And then it says to put it onto a sheet pan sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. And let's see, maybe I'm wrong.
You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
You know, are you serious? Can you believe that? There is no option for a regular oven. And I don't have an air fryer. I don't want to use it in a microwave. So I'm going to do it. I'm still going to do it in the oven. Yeah, the thing's not good for you. They don't give you an oven baking option on this thing. And it's just kind of stupid. Microwave or air fryer. And then there's another option, micro bake. Hold on. Let's do it like this. Okay. We're just gonna put it in there. The oven's at 400 degrees. I can tell when it's done.
I think for someone who's been eating far too many frozen pizzas has lost grip on reality.
So here it is. To be honest, I took it out of the oven and I followed the instructions in the microwave. I cooked it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So, fact of the matter is, this is nothing more than a glorified Hot Pocket that comes with a paper mustache. I'm gonna cut this in half, let it cool off.
Hey guys, Paulie Detmer's is my uncle. He's a man and he makes decisions.
I am no fan of microwave cooking, unless it's water or popcorn. Oh my gosh. Did I mention? It's fortified with some bioengineered food ingredients too. I know it's hot, but let's try it anyhow. Okay, I'm getting the pepperoni. To put the cheese in the back. Now their frozen pizza, not bad, but this thing is terrible. On the pepperoni scale rating, I'll give this half of a pepperoni. I'm gonna toss this one in the trash, but I do thank you all for watching. I do this for you, the best subscribers on YouTube.